All right, Brian, let's check this out. We're going to find the LCD here between 12x squared and 20x. Now remember, what we do is we're going to factor everything out completely. The left number is always going to be part of our LCD, but we're going to factor it anyway just to kind of see what we can cancel. So 12, let's factor out 12. That's going to be 3 times 4. Oh, jumped down on me. Sorry about that. It's going to be 3 times 4 times x squared, right? Times x, or x squared. And 4 could break down into 2 times 2. So really I can bring the 3 down. I can bring those x's down. That's all good. There's my first number. And we know all of this multiplies to be 12x. 20x, let's break that down. That's going to be 5 times 4 times x. And the 4 can be broken down as well. So 5 times 2 times 2 times x. So again, as I mentioned, we always keep the left number. That one is always in, but if there's any duplication, I'm going to eliminate that. So see how I have a 2 over here? I'm going to eliminate this 2 over here because I don't want to have 2. I have another 2 over here, which I'll keep, but I'll eliminate this one. I have an x here, which I'll eliminate that as well. So our LCD is going to be 12x because all of this, again, is always part of it. And I know that's 12x squared, sorry. I eliminated most everything but the 5. So I'm going to have to multiply this by 5 as well. Okay, so 12 times 5, we just work it out, do the whole number parts. That's 60, and the x squared comes along. So that's going to be our LCD here, 60x squared. Let's take a look at the second problem you sent me. Here we're going to solve and check this linear equation. We have x over 2 equal to 2 plus x minus 25 over 5. When we have an equation with a bunch of fractions, it's often best to do the LCD trick. Now the LCD here is going to be 10, right? Again, because 2, there is no other, it's just 1 times 2, and then 5, well 2 times 5 is 10. That's the LCD here. So what we're going to do, let's multiply every term by the LCD by 10. I'll write a 10 up here, and I'll put a 10 over here just so we can see what happens. Now over here, we're going to have 10 divided by 2, that's 5, times the numerator, x. So that's going to be 5x, equal sign. 10 times 2 is 20, plus sign. Now over here, 10 divided by 5 is 2, times the numerator, which is going to be x minus 25. Okay, and I'm just going to use brackets here. Now, we're just going to do some order of operations, and we can carry this thing out. So let's distribute. 5x equals 20, plus 2x minus 50. We can combine these like terms, this 20 and this minus 50. 5x equals 2x minus 30. And then we can get our x's to one side. I'll minus 2x from both sides. You could minus 5x as well. Doesn't matter. We're going to get 3x equals negative 30. And lastly, we'll divide both sides by 3 to isolate the variable. X is going to equal negative 10. Okay, hope that helps.